Hello everyone, how are you doing? Mr. Jones Crasto, and I would like to welcome you to Jones Crasto, your ultimate destination for entertainment and news. Our YouTube channel brings you the latest news and entertainment, while our brokerage services excel in mergers and acquisitions, as well as the buying and selling of exclusive real estate, luxury yachts, corporate jets, and helicopters, along with managing their global operations. For more details, visit our website at jonescrasto.com or contact us at jonescrasto@gmail.com. Thank you for tuning in. Next, let's dive into a discussion about here's why Boeing discontinued the C-17 Globemaster III. Unravel the untold story behind the Boeing C-17 Globemaster III's discontinuation. Dive deep into the decisions, challenges, and strategies that led to the end of this military cargo titan. Watch now and join the conversation. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the aviation passion alive. The C-17 Globemaster III, a name that resonates with strength and versatility. This military cargo aircraft was once the backbone of airlift operations for the United States and Allied forces worldwide. But despite its undeniable capabilities, Boeing ceased production of this iconic aircraft in 2015. What led to this decision? Let's explore the factors that grounded this airborne giant. When the C-17 first took to the skies in the 1990s, it revolutionized military logistics. Its ability to carry heavy payloads, land on short and unpaved runways, and perform strategic and tactical missions made it indispensable. From humanitarian aid to combat support, the C-17 was a workhorse like no other. However, by the mid 2000s, shifts in military strategies and budget constraints began casting shadows over its future. As a geopolitical landscapes evolved, the need for large-scale airlift operations started to decline. Was the C-17 becoming a relic of an earlier era? Another challenge was the cost. At approximately 340 million USD per unit, the C-17 was a significant investment. Maintaining and upgrading the aircraft over its lifespan added further expenses, prompting decision makers to evaluate its long-term feasibility. As the US Air Force streamlined its fleet, they began emphasizing multi-purpose aircraft with advanced technology. Newer planes, Newer planes like the Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules and the Boeing KC-46 Pegasus emerged as cost-effective alternatives for specific missions once dominated by the C-17. The production line faced another hurdle, a dwindling backlog of orders, with most allied nations completing their purchases and no significant new customers in sight. Boeing found it increasingly difficult to justify the C-17's production. In 2014, Boeing announced it would shut down the Long Beach, California plant where the C-17 was assembled. The closure marked the end of an era and left thousands of skilled workers searching for new opportunities. Critics argue that the discontinuation was short sighted, given the C-17's proven reliability and versatility. They highlighted They highlight its pivotal role in missions like disaster relief in Haiti and the evacuation of Kabul. Could the decision have been influenced by factors beyond operational needs? On the other hand, proponents of the move claim it was necessary to allocate resources toward next generation aircraft. After all, aviation technology must continually evolve to meet further challenges. The legacy of the C-17 lives on, as hundreds of these aircraft remain in service across the globe. Their contribution to military and humanitarian efforts cannot be overstated, and they continue to symbolize innovation and resilience. As we reflect on the end of the C-17's production, one question lingers. Was it truly the right time to retire this aviation icon, or did external pressures hasten its demise? This story is a reminder of the delicate balance between innovation, economics, and operational needs in the world of aviation. Every decision carries consequences that ripple through industries and nations. For aviation enthusiasts, the C-17 represents more than a machine. It's a testament to human ingenuity and determination. Its story is far from over, as it continues to inspire new generations of aircraft. So, whether you are an aviation buff or a casual viewer, this tale of triumph and transition has something for everyone. It's a glimpse into the complexities of aviation history and the relentless pursuit of progress. Stay tuned to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of aviation and military technology. And remember, the skies are full of stories waiting to be discovered. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.